Let's get going with winter weather on the way. Live look at the Sierra right now. A few cars driving on the wet pavement. Calm before the storm, call it, as up to 4 feet of snow is expected.
Hold on, we have team coverage tonight from the foothills to the valley, and our chief meteorologist Nick Marianos is tracking the latest on this storm for you right now. We begin tonight, though, with CBS 13's Shantae Passmore.
Shantae's live from Nyack with the travel conditions and possible power outages. Shantae, how are things looking up there?
Yeah, that's right. You know, for a while, mostly here in Nyack, what we've been dealing with is rain. We're talking about anything from light to moderate, and then every now and then we get this wintry mix. Not exactly light flurries, not exactly total rain, but on our way here to Nyack, driving eastbound on I-80, I'd say around Colfax, that's when you start to notice the real weather change pattern there. We're talking about dark, ominous clouds, some even low-lying, and then the rain started picking up there during our commute here. Not a torrential downpour, but visibility did get a little bit dicey at times. Again, not exactly a white knuckle drive, but just enough to make you cautious of your surroundings and of other drivers as well as your own driving as well. And when we got here to Nyack, we spoke to truck drivers who say they're just trying to avoid that changeover to snow later this evening.
I was thinking I want to get out of this mess because I had to put chains on, but if that's what it is, that's what it is, and I'll do it.
And the other big story, of course, will be wind gusts. Power outages could be a possibility with down trees, down lines. So now will be a good time to make sure you're ready should that happen.